the payoff is completely changed on its head. Most important point what you see is how much was the investment which I was telling you in the beginning. And have a look at this. If market starts to trend, then what do we really expect from this strategy? Interesting. If you are an options seller, low wicks probably is the one of the most difficult situation to sell options. Today, I'm gonna tackle exactly that. Have a look where the wicks is really trading at a historic low. So, different environment needs different skill and different strategy. Exactly what I'm going to tell you in the shortest amount of time possible. Knowledge which helps you become a better trader. Before I start, standard disclaimer, every strategy contains certain degree of risk to the capital. Now let's start the theory part first. We're going to cover it in record speed. In this particular strategy, there are 4 legs because 2 we're going to sell and 2 we're going to buy. Naturally, we look forward to sell 20 delta call and put in the current series when we are creating this strategy. We are not making it in weekly. We are making it in monthly. And after that, we again gonna track 20 delta. It's very easy. I'm gonna tell you in 30 seconds how to track the delta and how to long it. Simple. Once we're gonna get this done, we're gonna have a structure ready. Also, if you are one of those traders who only trade by the payoff, this is gonna be a good wake-up call for you because today I'm gonna expose the reality of payoff. So brace yourself for impact. You're gonna learn something really powerful. So here we are on a nifty monthly chart. Pay close attention because every candle represents 1 month. Now, the good part is there are only 2 possibilities in the market which can happen. Number 1, market may just stay range bound, may just not trend. And number 2, market may just trend very fast in any direction. Tell me in the comment section if there is any third possibility which exists in the market. So here I'm gonna just pick this example. In this example, market really gonna trend. And in this example, market is not trending. As you can see, market started from here, it ended here. But before that, before I show you the back test, I show you the adjustment, I got to tell you the strategy. So here we are on an option simulator. What do we see is an option chain we opened, and we opened an option chain for the monthly series, as you can see. Remember, I told you to track delta. Which delta? 20 delta. Is it a rocket science? No, we can find it here. You can see here, this line which you can see 1, 2, 3, the number 3 line, third one, this is the deltas. So all we got to do is we got to find where 20 delta is. This is at the money, it is colored differently. We go slightly out and we're gonna track where delta, and this is where the delta is 21 delta. This is roughly 23 delta. This is 19.12. So this is closest to 20. So what we can do is we can sell a call here. Why? The reason you know very clearly. Number 2, we got to track the put deltas. Now this section here is delta. Even your broker can tell you it's very, very easy to track deltas wherever it is. And here we find the round strike of 722 delta. This is something which we can sell because obviously 700 will have more liquidity, so we sold it. Easy, 50% of the job is done. How easy it is. Now let's focus on the February, which is the next month. Now what do we have to do? We have to again track the 20 delta wherever it is. We find a 20 delta and we look to buy, but we are not buying 1, we are buying 2. Important point. Now we go to the put side, we do the simplest thing, that is we find where the delta is and we find 20 delta and we long it and we are long it 2. So basically we are shorting current series 1 and then we are long going to the next series and then we are longing twice just to provide a cover. Now when we do something like this, how things look. This is how the payoff looks when we create a position like this. Now payoff graph looks all over the place, but at the same time, if market stays in the range, then it kind of tell you that there is some kind of a red. But what if when I show you the testing of it and I'll tell you some more adjustment points towards the end of the video and I train you properly on this particular strategy, then things will turn out to be different. Wouldn't that be nice if you see the payoff changing as we backtest it in the real time? Gonna be really interesting. Before I go ahead, let me tell you the margin estimate is approximately 67,000. Now obviously it can change from the broker to broker a little bit. It varies. But the most important point is this is non-directional. Interesting. So now let's load these months. One, we're going to do it in a trending month. Another when the month is not trending. Will be very interesting, right? Now have a look at here, 70,000. If it asks you in that situation, how much 7,000 become, right? How much 700 becomes, right? It's very easy to calculate. So here I've already preloaded the strike. If I go to the Greeks and I show you exactly 20 deltas is what I've shorted, and I've also longed 20 delta. It looks to be 40 because we have longed twice. So naturally 20 multiplied by 2 is 40, right? So this is how it looks, exactly no changes, beginning of the month. Now let's see in a trending month how it behaves. And I really want you to see the payoff for all the payoff fans. Have a look at this, right? And now let's go ahead and as the days are progressing, what do we see is market is trending a little bit. What do we see is that market is in complete red zone. 1 week has gone, but in terms of what is the outcome of it, you could see it. Why? The reason I'm going to tell you. Also adjustment if things go wrong. Let's see what happens with this particular trade as the trade is progressing, as you can see over here. And market is hovering, market is going bullish now, as we can see. And now have a look at this. Now the payoff is completely changed on its head. Most important point what you see is how much was the investment which I was telling you in the beginning. And have a look at this. If market starts to trend, then what do we really expect from this strategy? Interesting. Now if I pick a trending month and market really go bullish or bearish, etc., right? Have a look at this now, right? I don't want to go ahead more, etc. I hope you get an idea. You got some kind of a light bulb moment and how can we have a good head strategy at trending. But before you ask me in the comment section, how about a non-trending month? How about a month where market just not going anywhere? Then what is going to happen? And after that, you also want to learn from me the adjustment points. So I'm going to cover that as well. Let's load it. Now we are here in a non-trending month, and if I have a look at the Greek, exact same, I hope you got the point. You're learning smart and you learn fast. Yes. So now let's go ahead and let's see what happens with this particular trade. Max to max, what will happen when we are in the trade? Max to max, market may just not trend, right? Now let's see exactly what is happening. Market is just not trending. Market is just there stuck. And when we are in the trade and when we see that it's 1 week has gone by and probably 10 days have gone by since we are in the trade and market is just not going anywhere, we can wait probably half of the month. So for a 30-day trade, a calendar days, 15 days we wait, and then what do we see is that market is just not moving anywhere. There's no big trend catching up in the market. Obviously a little bit up and down market's gonna go, but what really matters is when things are not really going in our favor, then what is happening with the strategy? Now we have two choices. Number one, we can exit 50% of the position, or we can take a hard exit. We can completely exit from the trade, or we can wait a little longer if we want to. We can always do that. Now, when we wait a little longer, probably the loss can go up, right? We understand that. But this can also happen that market start to catch a trend, which you can see on your screen right now. And a little bit of trend in the market, if you compare how much margin is getting blocked when we trade something like this. Also, a lot of people are really, sort of scared of a big gap down. In fact, everybody is. Now here what you learn. If market trends, what happens? If market don't trend, what happens? But the main important question is, if we are in the trade and market really gives us a big gap down or a corona kind of a situation, then how this strategy is going to perform? The risk is always going to be there. But when we buy options and if market starts to trend, then we can see how things really play out in the real time. If market gives us a hard exit, we can always look forward to exit from the trade, being non-directional. I also want to tell you adjustments now because it's getting really interesting. So important point number one, adjustment hint. Losses are coming from where? I think I need to show you the payoff. So here we are on the payoff on a simulation. If market is not moving, the losses are coming from the bought legs. Naturally, because the theta is getting decayed, we bought the next month option that is getting decayed. So how do we counter that? Very interesting. Is it possible that we convert the far out position into a condor Can we sell the next strike in the next month? That can reduce some kind of a damage from theta decay. Is it possible? Can we do something like that in the trade? Or another option is these sold legs. If market is not trending, the selling leg will decay naturally. So that closer month is expected to decay, which is beneficial for us. Can't we bring those sold legs closer? Think about it. Because if I make a part 2 of the video, because there are so many advanced concepts which I can still introduce, but the video is going to be really long. Also, important point number two is avoid the big event. Why are we avoiding the big event? After the big event, market really trends. That's the common perception is. But there's one more thing happened after big event. Usually it happens. What happens to the volatility? What happens to the option pricing? So we also should know where exactly we can do this and where we should not do that. Very important point. That's the exact reason why I tell you hit and trial way of trading one must avoid, right? Just like you've learned right now. Concrete structured trading, proper planning, aware of the risk, aware of how to do adjustments, which I gave you a little hint. I can probably make another video if you request, and you share this video with your current group, with your trading friend. I'm sure you must have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the very best. Take care. Signing off. Bye-bye.